ஸோ ஹாய், நம்ம வந்து இப்போது ஜெமினிக்கு மே மந்த் ப்ரெடிக்ஷன்ஸ் வந்து பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஓகே, திஸ் இஸ் த ஜென்ரல் ரீடிங். உங்களுக்கு எது ரெசனேட் ஆகுதோ அதை எடுத்துக்கோங்க, இல்லைன்னா ஸ்கிப் பண்ணிவிடுங்க. இன்னொரு விஷயம் வந்து என்ன அப்படின்னா, டேரோனா எனக்கு என்னன்னே தெரியாது, ஐ டோன்ட் ஈவன் ஹேவ் ஐடியா அப்படின்னு நினைக்கிறவங்க, டேரோ கார்ட்ஸ்னால் என்ன அப்படின்றது டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன் பாக்ஸில் இருக்குது. அந்த லிங்கை கிளிக் பண்ணிங்கன்னா இட் வில் கிவ் யூ தி ஐடியா வாட் இஸ் டேரோ கார்ட்ஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு. இஃப் யூ வாண்ட் டு டேக் பர்சனல் ரீடிங், இது வந்து ஜென்ரல் ரீடிங், அதாவது இப்போ வந்து ஜெமினிக்கு நான் ஜென்ரலாக வந்து ஒரு ரீடிங் வந்து நான் பண்ண போகிறேன். பட் இஃப் யூ வாண்ட் டு நோ ஃபார் யூ, எனக்கு தனியாக தெரியணும் அப்படின்னு நீங்கள் நினச்சிங்கன்னா யூ ஹேவ் டு புக் அ ரீடிங் தட் இஸ் சார்ஜபிள். அப்போது உங்கள் நேம், உங்களோட டேட் ஆஃப் பர்த்தை வச்சு நம்ம வந்து பார்ப்போம். எப்படி நான் ப்ரெடிக்ட் பண்ண போகிறேன்னா, ரீசன் பாஸ்ட் என்ன, கரண்ட் எனர்ஜி என்ன, இமிடியேட் ஃப்யூச்சரில் என்ன ஆக போகுது, ஓவரால் எனர்ஜி என்ன சேலஞ்சஸ் இருக்க போகுது, இதுதான் வந்து நம்ம வந்து இன்றைக்கி வந்து பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஓகே, it's a recent past, current energy and the immediate future for the people of Gemini. Recent past, current energy and the immediate future for the people of Gemini. Recent past, current energy and the immediate future. What is a challenge for the people of Gemini? What are the challenges for the people of Gemini? What are the challenges for the people of Gemini? Are you hurt? Are you in pain, Gemini? கண்ணை கட்டி காட்டில் விட்ட மாதிரி இருக்கா? Are you crying without knowing anyone? What's the overall energy for the people of Gemini? Overall energy, please. New emotions have pongi validu. Nare emotions. Overall energy, I could see emotions. Emotionally weak or emotionally strong. But I could see more emotionally weak situation here. What's a challenge for the people of Gemini? Overall challenge for the people of Gemini. Challenge. Okay. You're going to come out of the loneliness very, very soon, which I say here. And I could see you're going to come out of your loneliness very, very soon. Okay, challenge enna for your peace and for your harmony or any kind of thing, it's going to challenge your peace and harmony, because lot of emotional imbalance for you guys. Recent pastல strength, 8 of swords, high priest. Your intuition is telling you something. நீங்கள் உங்களோட இன்ட்யூஷன் சொல்கிறத you are just avoiding it அப்படின்னு வந்து தோணுது. உங்கள் மனசாட்சி அப்படின்னு வந்து நம்ம வந்து சொல்லலாம், இல்லை ஒவ்வொருத்தவங்களும் ஒவ்வொரு பேர் வச்சுருப்பாங்க, அந்த மாதிரி கூட வந்து சொல்லலாம். But you are avoiding it. You are not ready to take your intuition words. That is why you are suffering a lot. You are crying out a lot. You are fearing a lot. Immediate futureல அது கொஞ்சம் கம்மியாகும். But now and recent past, you are going through a lot of emotionally, you're totally down. But you can see the growth only you can lead your destiny. You will get the success. நீங்கள் விடாமல் ஓடிட்டே இருந்தீங்கன்னா there will be the growth, but it will get reduced. Your emotional imbalance will get reduced. Okay, but let's see. Clarify பண்ணா தெரியும். Why the Ace of Cups is here as the overall energy for the people of Gemini. Why the Ace of Cups is here for the people of Gemini. Why the Ace of Cups is here. Why the Ace of Cups is here. Why the Ace of Cups is here as an overall energy. நான் சொல்லலை. You are in pain, you are in lot of stress, love, emotions. You are in lot of pain. The people who are married, the people who are in relationship, your people, whoever it is, you are in lot of pain. Somebody is moving away from you because of that, or you found something. That is why you're emotionally imbalanced. Why the Temperance card is here. 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 Why the Temperance card is here as a challenge. You're fighting. You keep fighting for it. There is definitely going to be a great challenge regarding your motherhood. Like some people are fighting for getting pregnancy, or some people are fighting for the love. It's going to cost your peace and harmony because you keep fighting it. You're so wounded. Naraya wounded. You're so much wounded. So this is what going to be the challenge. Emotionally, very emotions. Too much of emotions. The Strength card is Strength card. 8 of Swords, the High Priestess. நிறைய limited thoughts, நிறைய பயம். You are just உங்களே நீங்கள் ரொம்ப கஷ்டப்படுறீங்க. செல்ஃப் சப்போர்டேஜ்னு சொல்லுவாங்கள்ல. You are doing that to yourself. But basically you are a very brave person, but you are showing that outside, but inside you are very coward. You are not showing it to the people. Listen to your intuition. There is a message always there for you, but you are not listening to it. Why the Strength card is here? Why the Strength card is here? Why the Strength card is here? Somebody is trying to move on from the past because you have realized something. You want to begin something new. So you have moved on. That is why you are bearing that pain within you. Why the 8 of Swords is here? Why the 8 of Swords is here? And the High Priestess. Why the 8 of Swords is here? Why the 8 of Swords is here? Things got completed. Over. You found something. One of the cycle got ended. Whether it is a job, whether it is anything, friendship, anything it could be. One of the energy got completely, it was over. That is why you are grieving yourself. Don't get any addictions. Some people are getting into addictions. Somebody already they have got into some addictions, some temptation, some trap. It will lead you to trap if you get into any kind of addictions. Lot of health problems will get arises. Why the High Priestess is here? Excuse me. Why the High Priestess is here? Why the High Priestess is here? Family. You're thinking about family, and you have given yourself, you have given your time more, you have given your effort more, you have given everything to that family. That is why you are still thinking about your family, your kids, everyone, because somebody has broken your heart, something has ended here. High Priestess tell you to what your intuition says. Why the Three of Swords is here? Why the Three of Swords is here? Three of Swords is clarified by the Fool, Five of Swords, and the Six of Wands. Okay, you came out. The pain is there. You're hurting. Somebody is still hurting, but things are working out in your favor. Will work out in your favor. Very soon, you can wish for it. You can manifest for it. If you start manifesting. Somebody has begun something new here. Somebody has traveled or to come out of that grief mode, but still you are crying out. Nobody knows you are crying. Why the Star card is here? Why the Star card is here? Queen of Cups, Hierophant, and the Ace of Cups. Yes. Marriage there was something. Not for everyone. This is a general reading, but take it what resonates with you. You are trying to cope up with the situation. Something new has begun. Okay, you're trying to cope up with the situation. Why the Two of Swords is here? Why the Two of Swords is here? You're wishing for something good to happen very, very soon. Why the Two of Swords is here? நிறைய நியூ திங்ஸ் என்னால் இங்கே பார்க்க முடியுது. நிறைய கிளாரிட்டி உங்களுக்கு கிடைக்க போகுது. நிறைய ஒரு புது விஷயங்கள், புது அத்தியாயம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்களா, அந்த மாதிரி விஷயங்கள் என்னால் இங்கே நிறைய பார்க்க முடியுது. அது ஐ ஃபீல் லைக் தட் காட் வெரி ஸ்டக் இந்த சிச்சுவேஷனோ அப்படின்னு எனக்கு தோணுது. ஃபார் சம் ஆஃப் த பீப்புள் த கிளாரிட்டி the new beginning, everything got stuck அப்படின்ற மாதிரியான ஒரு சிச்சுவேஷன் இருக்கோ அப்படின்னு தோணுது. I want to begin something new because I have moved on from the situation, because recent past you have moved on, but you are just still grieving to yourself. You are just waiting for the என்ன கேட்டால் ரொம்ப அவசரப்படாதீங்க. Everything will happen very slow. Everything will happen very slow. Just rest yourself, then things will start very soon. Okay, why the moon card is here? Why the moon card is here in the immediate future? Why the moon card is here in the immediate future? Do not believe anyone in the immediate future also, because I could see even some people would come and approach you. If anybody comes in the future that I'll take care of you, நான் பார்த்துக்கிறேன் அந்த செஞ்சுக்கிறேன்னு சொல்லிட்டு people will come, but look out their sense. Are they correctா தான், or they are trying to help you, இல்லை their people are trying to betray you, again they are trying to give you pain அப்படின்றத பாருங்க. Because again I could see the pain here. Some people is going to do the same to you, so I just want you to be very careful. Already you are in pain, you don't want to take the same again, if you just ask me. Somebody is running away from the commitment, somebody is chasing. Do not chase the persons who run away from your life. Most coward thing in the world. The Chariot. The Chariot is here. For some people you would get a new job. Okay, you can plan for your vision, you can plan for something to happen in your life. Okay, you need to realize உங்களுக்குள்ளே இருக்கிறது என்ன அப்படின்றது, just to start the self reflection. உங்களுக்குள்ளே என்ன இருக்குது, என்ன வேணும், what do you want in life, what do you going to do next அப்படின்ற ஒரு அனலைசேஷன் வந்து கண்டிப்பாக வந்து இருக்கணும். If that's so, new you can lead the path to success for sure. Why the Empress card is here? Why the Empress card is here? You will get the peace, and in the future, I mean present energy peace and இது எதுவுமே வந்து உங்களுக்கு இல்லை, because everything looks stagnant, you are in an pain. But immediate future moon card in reverse வந்து இருக்கு. So you will start seeing the growth, the emotional grief, emotional thing, everything will be fade out very slowly from you, and you will be at last in peace. But at the same time, don't overload yourself in any case. And suddenly you will come out of that grief mode very soon. Okay, advice for the people of Gemini. Advice for the people of Gemini. This shall to pass. Advice for the people of Gemini. You're going to be happy. You're going to be happy very soon. You will realize everything soon. You will be move on from your past very soon. It's just also advising you to move on from your past, not to stick to it, because this emotions அப்படிங்கப்போ you have physically have come out of that relationship or anything, or friendship, betrayal, anything it could be, but emotionally you have not yet come out. That is why that it's showing lot of grieving, lot of tears, lot of unhappiness cards in my tarot today. So it's just advising you to move on from the past and have a happy life. Be in the past, which shows you the happiness, happy memories. Thank you so much. Let's spread one day now.